Can you just verify your name for me, please?
For rehab?
For rehab? Okay. You said you're not feeling well?
No.
Okay, let me just check your vitals really quick. So I've been having trouble breathing. Have you been in the hospital before?
No, I haven't.
No. Okay. So we're going to start you off with a breathing treatment. Have you had one before?
No.
Okay, it's really simple. So we're going to take a liquid medication, we're going to turn it into aerosol so you can inhale it and then go to your lungs, okay?
Okay.
It's a bronchodilator, epidural, so it'll help open up your airways and just help you breathe overall, okay? It's really simple. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't take too long, so.
Okay.
You said you haven't been in the hospital before?
No.
No, first time?
First time.
First time. Really simple. I'm gonna have you sit up for this, okay? Because if you lay back, you risk of the medication not going to you because this tilts, okay? So we just need to step forward. And this is gonna go in your mouth. This is your mouthpiece. It's gonna go along with your breathing, okay? Something like that. And then you're just in your mouth. And it's going to go along with your normal breathing. So your normal easy breathing. And every now and then I want you to take deep breaths just to ensure that it goes down to your nose. Okay? Cool? So I'll be back in like 15 minutes to check on you, okay? Is this something we do for you? Let's take a 1 minute. Okay, looks like the medication is almost over, so let me turn that off for you. How do you feel?
I feel so much better.
You feel better?
Thank you. Really good.
Feel good. Okay. Let me just take this off really quick. You said you do feel better?
Oh yeah, I took that.
Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna have you sit up for me one more time.
Okay.
And then cough for me. How did that feel?
And I feel like it's clear now and I can actually
Breathe in. Okay. It sounds better. Let's see if we can try that quick. Okay, so you do sound better. You're gonna get this treatment every 4 hours. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go rinse off in stir water and I'm gonna let it air dry for your next treatment, okay?
Okay.
Everything is okay?
Yeah, everything's okay.
Do you need anything else from me before I go?
No, thank you.
You're good?
Yeah.
Alright, well I'll be back.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.